Experiencing call issues with Consumer Cellular? Here's a quick guide. First, check for outages. These are network-wide problems, often due to hardware failures or maintenance. Use Consumer Cellular's app or website to view coverage maps and outage reports. Restarting your phone or toggling airplane mode can sometimes help. Wi-Fi calling is a good backup if available. Next, consider blocks. These can be from the recipient or Consumer Cellular itself, e.g. for suspected fraud or spam. If you suspect a block, contact Consumer Cellular customer service at 1-888-345-5509 or use the app to request an unblock. If your phone displays an IMS not registered error, it means your device can't connect for voice services. This is common on Android devices after software updates. To fix this, ensure your APN settings are correct. The APN should be CC data for LTE. Resetting network settings in your phone's settings menu is another solution. If problems persist, updating your phone's firmware might be necessary. Remember, IMS is crucial for VoLTE and Wi-Fi calling as Consumer Cellular transitions away from older 3G networks. If all else fails, contact Consumer Cellular support for assistance.